Hey guys, welcome back to Four Seasons Farm. I wanted to do a quick puppy update for you and show you these adorable little ones. They're 3 weeks old. These are Aussiedoodles. These are Angel. This is Angel. Come here, Angel. Angel. Angel's a toy Aussie. She was bred with Shadow, our toy poodle. Hey, baby. These little guys are 3 weeks old. They were born March 20th. We have 2 boys available in this litter. 2 boys, 1 girl. The female's spoken for. But they're going to average around 15 pounds when they're full grown. Super cute. Good Angel. This is one of the little boys. Look at that adorable little face. Oh, so cute. And this here is the other little boy. He has a chunk. Super, super cute. Beautiful coloring. And that is my sweet little girl. Her name is Bailey. Come here, Bailey. She has a cute face, too. But all 3 are blue merles, that beautiful gray coloring.